Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to uninstall your Opera GX. But before we get into the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos and tutorials like this. So now, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your Opera GX is closed and is not running. Then what you're going to do is go to your search tab right here and type Control Panel and then enter. Once you're here, under Program, click Uninstall Program. Scroll down until you find Opera GX. Once you found it, right-click and click Uninstall. It will then open this. If you want to reinstall it, just click Reinstall. If you want to uninstall it, then just click Uninstall. But if you want to delete all of your data while uninstalling, just click this box right here. It will then say by continuing, you will not be able to browse the internet with the safe and secure Opera browser. Are you sure you want to continue? So if you're sure, just click yes, and you have finally uninstalled Opera. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.